OKX App Not Working. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in OKX. If you see Update beside the application name, tap onto Update and update your app. Once you have updated your app, head over to your settings, scroll below until you see Apps. Here again, search for OKX and scroll below onto Storage. Here, clear the data if you have any. And before you do that, make sure that you note down your credentials. Now come back and tap onto Force Stop. Then tap onto OK. Once done, see if this fixes your app not working problem. If you're still facing that issue, then long tap onto your app, then tap onto Uninstall, tap on OK, reinstall this application again, get logged into your account, and that shall work. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.